we're going now. I just finished helping up with the packing. Hello guys, we are showered. Look at this plate of donuts. Like, guys, I'm not fat, I promise y'all. My mom made these earlier for me, but since we went to the pool, like, I never really had the time to eat it. So right now she was like, oh, I'm gonna make it for you, and then you could just put all the toppings you want. It is like 8 or 9, and I've decided to eat them. Anyways, like, I literally slept so, like, I have to do my lashes today, but I'm not gonna do them right now. I'm gonna do them at like 9 in the morning. I'm so tired right now, but let's do this. I just finished brushing my hair. Don't look so much on the lashes because I know I have to redo them. Like, they're at their last straw for real. So I'm just gonna do whatever I have to do now, and then I will see you guys when I actually wake up, because right now I'm like half asleep. Like, not really, I'm awake, but yeah. So good morning guys, it is 9:37 and I have to be ready at least by 11:40. I just did my lashes, but I'm not liking how uneven they look. Like, I like this one better, but I'm gonna like cut it up to see if it looks better. I already know what I'm gonna wear because it's like uniform or whatever. For my hair, I already like also know what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, it looks a little bit crazy right now, but I'm just gonna probably straighten my hair so it will look less frizzy. Do my edges, straighten my hair right here, and I'm gonna just curl it with the iron. But yeah guys, I'm going to get dressed then after, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final look. Okay guys, it is 10:20. I need to start getting dressed because I'm also gonna paint my nails to look a little bit representable. Here's the hair. It looks so much better, and now I'm just gonna get dressed and I will see you guys then. We are going downstairs. Well, I am going downstairs because it is late at night and we ordered DoorDash, right? Don't even look at the way I look right now, but it's like 11 o'clock and we ordered DoorDash, and the lady just came and I'm going to pick it up, and I'm so scared. It's so embarrassing. Like, I'm about to wait till she leaves so I can pick it up because okay guys, I haven't done my hair, I haven't done nothing. I've been chilling with my parents because my siblings are not here, and I've been editing as well. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a vlog. Okay guys, these dumplings. What? it's the next day. I took a shower and everything. I didn't really update you guys much on what happened yesterday, but basically I served at church. Service was really good. After that, I like had a huge headache when I came home. I was so tired. I went outside for a little bit to get some fresh air, and I just felt really sick. So I just came back home. I laid down. Like I was feeling like so like, you know, I was like, when I was laying down, I felt perfectly fine. But then when I got up, like my stomach was hurting, my head was hurting. I felt like I wanted to throw up. And then when we got the DoorDash delivery yesterday at night, I ate. Like before that, I felt normal. And then when I ate, I started feeling like I was gonna throw up. I went to the bathroom, nothing. I don't know, I just felt super like just shut off. Today I feel my stomach hurts a little bit. Still, but not as much as yesterday. So I really need to start updating you guys on everything that happens, you know, because like I feel like I just pick up the phone, boom, and start recording. I don't just update you guys, so I'm very sorry for that. I'm trying my best, but yeah, let's get on to baking.